Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, March 22nd. I hope you guys are doing great and that you had a wonderful week. I am doing very well. I did a little bit of shopping. I wanted to share this review of the gel nail polish that I was talking to you about. I think I mentioned it a week or so ago that I was going to be collaborating with this company. So yeah, let's start with that. This company called Nail Reserve, they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to test out their products and present them to my viewers. And I thought since I show my hands a lot in my videos that it would be a good fit for me. And you know that I love to use press-on nails. I use Kiss nails, Temu nails, and I do like doing that, but there are some drawbacks for me. The glue kind of irritates my nails, so my nails haven't been that strong lately. Sometimes they pop off, which is annoying, and sometimes they're a little bit too long too. So I was thinking about trying something different, you know, sometimes, not all the time. And I do I used to paint my nails with regular polish, but I don't know if it's me or what, but regular polish chips like within 24 hours. So it's not practical for me to do that because, you know, nobody wants to keep doing their nails, and I don't want to have chips in my nails when I'm making videos either. So I thought this would be a good idea. Gel nail polish, you cure it under a UV or LED lamp, so it's supposed to stay for like 2 to 3 weeks. So that really appealed to me. And this company, again, they're called Nail Reserve. They're based in Los Angeles, and they are vegan, cruelty-free. They prioritize your nail health, which I think is really nice. Their UV lamps are UV LED combinations. So if you're concerned about UV damage to your skin or nails, there's much less with these lamps. So I'll show you the lamp. Let me show you the different things that I got. First, I got the base coat, and they recommend that you use their base coat and top coat in addition to their their colors. So this is the base coat, and then it comes with the top coat too, the no wipe top. It doesn't come with it. That's what I got. And then I picked out I picked out 3 colors, and they sent me another one too. This is the one that I'm wearing right now. This one is called Heartstone, and I think it's so pretty. It's just like a really nice neutral mauve. I think this is a great everyday color. And you can see my nails are really short, and that's because, like I said, they've been damaged by the nail glue and the, my press-on nails. And then I picked out this color too. I thought this would be nice for summer. This one's called Tanning Session. Not that I get tan, but I do like to use brighter colors in the summer. So yeah, I got that color. And then of course I had to get an aqua color. This one is called Happy Birthday. And isn't that the prettiest aqua? They have like hundreds of colors on their website, just every shade of every beautiful color. It was really hard to pick. And then I was at this color too. This one is called Blossom, and this is like a lighter version of Heartstone. So I'm looking forward to trying that as well. I did my nails yesterday, and so far no chips, which for me is a good thing. This is the lamp that they have on their site. If you don't have a lamp and you want to pick one up, this one, you plug it in. It comes with a USB cord too, so you can plug it into your computer or an outlet or whatever. And then these little legs stand up, and then when you press it on, it automatically sets for 45 seconds, and then if you press it again, it's 60 seconds, but 45 seconds is enough to cure your nails. So what you do is you just put one coat on, cure your nails for 45 seconds, put the other coat on, and so on. Every coat you cure it for 45 seconds, and then your nails are dry and strong. So I am excited about this. I will definitely keep you updated about how it goes, but I like the fact that they're, vegan and cruelty-free. That's important to me. They seem like a really nice company. The people I've dealt with, they're great. They have wonderful reviews on their website, and not just on their website, but I Googled them, and they have good reviews on, other third-party sites too. Really good reviews. So anyway, I will have a link down below, a referral link, and if you use my discount code, you will get 50% off of your order, and that is strawberry cream. I will leave that below in the description box as well. So yeah, 50% off if you use my code. So hopefully, you know, if you're looking for something new for your nails, or you know, you've tried gel nails in the past and didn't like them, these are kind of like updated formulations. They're like the big 9 free, you know, all those chemicals that you don't want in your nail polish. And the colors are just gorgeous. If you take a look at that site, you'll see like every color imaginable, every shade of that color, and they're just so pretty. I really like how it feels, and yeah, I would tell you if I didn't like it so far. We'll see how long it lasts. If it lasts a week, I will be happy. They say it should last up to 3 weeks, but for me, you know, anything over a week would be wonderful. And then when I was at Dollar Tree, I bought these gel polish remover wraps, and to take off gel nail polish, you're supposed to take a cotton ball, soak it in your nail polish remover, and then put it on your nail, and then wrap it in one of like a piece of foil, or in this case, the remover wrap. So hopefully it won't be too much of a pain trying to remove them when I want to. Oh, and it comes with the cotton pads too. That's awesome. So yeah, we'll see how that works. If any of you guys have used this company, let me know your experience too. They, like I said, they seem great. So I'm looking forward to trying all the different colors and, you know, alternating this with my fake nails too. So, all right, so that was Nail Reserve. Thank you so much to Nail Reserve too for sending me these items. I really like them. All right, let's move on to the next item. That's the cord for the lamp. I ordered from scrapbook.com. They were having, I think it was like the scrapbook weekend or whatever it was. They were having like so many freebies. So I ordered a few things that I wanted to and got a bunch of freebies too. I ordered this stamp set from Pink and Main. It is so cute. I was looking for a stamp set with peeps that Armene had shown. I think it was Pink and Main, the one that she had shown, but that was an older one that's not available anymore. But this one, actually, you know what? I'm not sure what company it was, but I was looking for like Peeps stamps. And this one looks like Peeps, and it has like Peeps sayings on it. And this is new this year. So it's got this bunny here, like one of those Peep bunnies with all these marshmallows. And look they're like all dressed up. This one's holding a little bunny. And there's this basket with the little chick and the bunny. And then the bunny's like in graham crackers, looks like s'mores with Peeps. And there's just a cute little marshmallow with Easter bunny ears and a little basket. And these 2 or 3 up here. And the sentiments say, "You're one of my favorite Peeps, hanging with my Peeps. Sweet Easter greetings. You are so sweet. For Peeps' sake, a sweet Easter treat, and hello spring." And these are really tiny sayings. They'd be good for little tags. But yeah, so I got this. This one is called For Peeps' Sake. At scrapbook.com, and then I got the coordinating stamps or dies to go with that. And I love how Pink and Main stamps are always, Pink and Main dies are always pink. So yeah, got those. Those will cut out like the picture parts. And then I got from the new Lawn Fawn release, I'd gotten the snail stamp, which was super cute, but I wanted to get some little bunnies, so I got this one. This is adorable, right? With these cute little bunnies. This one is called Hey There, Hayride's Bunny Add-on. So if they have like a Hayride stamp and die set, and you could put these little images in the back of the truck, I think it is, or wagon. Yeah, it's probably a wagon. But I figured I could use this for other things. I didn't necessarily need to have that, you know, stamp set. So anyway, there are these 3 cute little bunnies, and then one separate one, and then some carrots, and again, tiny little sentiments. Somebody loves you. It's us. Hello, cabbages, and carrots. And then I got the dies to go with this. So yeah, I thought that would be super cute in some projects, and I love their little bunnies. So those are the things I ordered, and the freebies I got this giant deluxe adhesive roller, and this has 98 feet of tape in there. So that was a nice freebie, and none of these increased my shipping costs, which I was glad for. And then I got the Simon Hurley die set. This was again a freebie, and it comes with 3 different dies. It comes with Hello, the shadow, and then this like piece of foliage. And that one's called Foliage Hello. And then this was a freebie as well. And this is scalloped flower, and this is the scrapbook.com brand. And it's got the 2 different flower pieces, one scalloped. This is the center, I guess, and another center. So it would look like that. So that's really pretty. So I guess you could layer these. That's nice. It's a big flower, so I don't know how often I would use this, but you know, as a freebie, you never know. So that was all I got from scrapbook.com. And let's see, I went to Target this week and I picked up these stickers. If you watched my video of what I was sending to my 11,000 subscriber winner, I sent her a sheet of each of these stickers, and these were in the card aisle. They come with, it comes with 9 sheets, so 3 of each. And I just love this bunny sheet with the strawberries. Like, how adorable is that? And then it comes with this set too. It says Easter wishes, so it's, well, you know what? I'm still mailing out a few Easter cards, so I'll put this on the back of the envelope, and those butterflies are really pretty. And then it comes with this side too, the cute little bunnies, and these can be, I guess, any time of the spring. I would, you know, it doesn't say Easter on them. But then there are these like foil tulips. Sorry, oh yeah, that's a big glare. Sorry about that. But yeah, so these bunnies have flowers, and these are just in the strawberries. Look at that guy with the strawberry in his head. So cute. So this was for the 9 stickers, $4.99. 9 sheets of stickers, so not too bad. You know, those American greeting stickers are usually kind of pricey, but oh, it's so adorable. I couldn't resist. So I got that from Target, and then in the dollar spot, I picked up this measuring cup pitcher thing, and I think it's beautiful. It's this really pretty, clear, like hot pink color, and it was $3. And yeah, they only had this color that I saw, but maybe there are other colors. I don't know. It's food safe, not dishwasher or microwave safe, hand wash only, cold liquids only. So yeah, I think I'm going to use it just for a base, you know, put like some cut flowers in there. I think that would look really cute and homey in the kitchen. So I got that. And then I also got these from the dollar spot, although they were $5. I think I saw on Leanna's channel, right, Leanna? It's a deal. Didn't you get these? These were the coffee pod drawers. And I thought it was such a great idea to get these for your craft room. She said that you could put washi tape in here, which you definitely can. I brought over a couple to show you how they fit. So they fit fine. You know, even a big one, I think you could fit in there pretty well. So I got 2 of these because they do stack, and you know, I figured if I don't have enough to put in there right now, I will eventually acquire it. So these were $5 each. I took the sticker off this one so I could open it, but the sticker comes off easily. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them for washi because I do have a washi container already, so I might use them for something else. But I love that they're clear. They're really nice, heavyweight acrylic, and for $5, I think that's great for these organizers. So that was from Target. And then I went to HomeGoods, of course, where else would I be? And I picked up a few things there. I got these in the travel section. These are resaleable bags, and there are 40 pieces. And this was $5.99, I think. Yeah. Well, mine is a Marshall's HomeGoods combined, so I guess this was in the actual Marshall section. But I just love the patterns on these. The pills I probably wouldn't use. I don't know, probably not, because I have pill organizers, but they're cute little bags. But I got them for these. They have gingham ones and cherry ones. So let's open this up and see how big they are and what they look like. Let me get my scissors. They look like they're nice, like heavyweight plastic. So let's see. Okay, yeah, these are nice Ziploc bags. And this one is like about a quart size, I would say. Is that open already? Oops. Which way? Okay, that way it was open. So it's clear on one side, so you can see what's in it. And then it's got that cute gingham on the other side. So I think this will be really nice to send like gifts in, happy mail, stuff like that. And then the big one is the cherry, and this is like a gallon size. And this one is clear on the back too, but since the pattern on the front has a clear background, it looks more clear than the other one. So isn't that nice? Oh, I don't know, I just love bags. Funny to get so excited over Ziploc bags, but I just love the pattern. They had other patterns too, but this was my favorite. So like I said, it comes with 40s, so there are 6 large, 9 small, and 25 pill bags. So yeah, I wish it was more of the bigger ones, but anyway, I couldn't resist those patterns. So I got those. And then I got one more thing from HomeGoods. Their St. Patrick's Day stuff was on clearance. And some of the stuff that was there I hadn't seen before. And I don't really decorate for St. Patrick's Day, even though I am Irish. But my sister, one of my sisters, decorates for St. Patrick's Day. And I saw this and I thought she would like it. It's this big resin figure, and this reminds me a lot of, I have like a Mrs. Claus, 2 of them actually, one smaller and one bigger, and she's holding, what is she holding? Some sort of a cake too, but it's just like this, and her skirt goes up like this in the back. Anyway, I thought my sister would like this for St. Patrick's Day, so I will probably give it to her for either our birthday, it's my twin sister, or for Christmas next year. And look at the cake, it's got a rainbow at the top, and she's just like so pretty. She reminds me of my sister too, with the blue eyes and cute hair like that. So this was the Lucky Lane brand, and it was on clearance for $6. Looks like the price before that was $12.99. So it went down a lot, and like I said, I hadn't seen it. I think they got it late at my store, and they had some other stuff too. They had like the Martha Stewart cupcakes and the donuts, but honestly they weren't painted that well, and so I passed them over, and I thought this was just really, really pretty. So I picked that up while I was there. And I think that's all I wanted to share with you haul-wise this week. I'm still working on more Scrap Diva Designs projects. I have a new video coming out soon. I'm just working on the suitcase shadow box. I have a different kind of project for that. So I'm anxious to show you guys. I think it's coming out super cute. So that video will be up soon. And besides that, just trying to stay warm. It is so cold here, even though spring just started. It's been like snowy and in the like 20s and 30s the past few days. So waiting for the actual spring to get here. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. I'll be getting ready for Easter since we do have company coming. I have to get the house ready, get my menus organized, and do some shopping and that sort of thing. But I will definitely be back for next Friday's haul. Not to worry about that. And videos in between, of course. So that's it. I will be back soon with more crafty videos, like I said. And again, the nail reserve links will be down below. And I hope you find something you like. I will definitely keep you updated. I think it looks really nice. And so far, I really am happy with them. So, all right, you guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a wonderful weekend. And leave me a comment if you can. I would love to hear what's going on with you. All right, take care, everyone. Bye.